Oh, how the world would be such a nicer place if it was free of viruses. No, I'm not talking about viruses that can cause headaches or head colds or stuff like that. I am talking about those pesky little critters that can cause many Windows-based computer systems to act goofy on you, like blue screens of death, crashes, and bugs which can cause real-life headaches. So, for this Total OS Today topic, it will be about prevention and how to secure your computer. Now, for me, in all honesty, since Windows 7, as far as I know, I have yet to receive a bug, virus, spyware, or a blue screen of death. So, is it magic? Well, yes, it is the magic of prevention. But first, let's talk about some different types of malware. Now, this list here is by no means complete, but this should give you a general idea of what's involved in making a Windows-based computer or having it infected. Alright, number one is spyware. Spyware is basically the sending of information about you and your computer to somebody else. Now, this can include credit card numbers, passwords, logins, names, addresses, and etc. Number two, adware. Now, this is what I would call the random annoying pop-up advertisements. Number three, hijacking. This is basically taking control of your web browser, such as your home page, and sending you to specific sites. And number four, viruses. Now, a virus attaches to a program or file, then spreading from one computer to another, infecting each computer along the way, causing those crashes or blue screens. So this is what I would describe are the four top types of malware. Now let's talk about prevention. Alright, number one, keep the Windows operating system updated. Update the various software that you have. Update the core system itself. Number two, beware of suspicious websites. If you're not sure, leave them and do a search of them. Number three, don't open untrusted email. Number four, now this is pretty common, flash drives. Your friends or family may unknowingly give you a flash drive with an infected file on it. You should scan it first, and I'll show you how in a moment. Number five, use an antivirus such as Avast Free. Number six, use a firewall. Now, Windows 7 has one built in, but do not use two at the same time. If you wanted to use a different one, let's see, take a look at Zone Alarm or Komodo. Alright, number seven, use an alternative browser like Opera or Firefox. And finally, number eight, some other fine programs I use to keep my computer clean. One is called Malwarebytes, and then the other one is Super Anti-Spyware. Now, as far as scanning flash drives, I have on my computer a folder that I labeled software, and this is basically software I transferred from my flash drive to the folder here on the desktop. Now, before I installed it, I basically scanned it. So what I did, I just highlight the folder, right click, and then I just go to the Avast icon here where it says Scan Software, and it will basically do a quick scan. Now, I don't have a lot here. I think it was about a couple hundred megabytes of data, and it comes up no threat found. By the way, I did this before, so I knew it was clean. This is it, guys and girls. This is basically what I've been doing really since Windows XP, towards when Service Pack 3 came out, but more towards Windows 7. Windows 7 to me is the most secure Windows operating system out there in the market. If you do this, if you keep your PC clean, you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Now, nothing is 100%. I understand that, but if you know what the different types of malware are and you follow these steps to prevent your computer from being infected, you will have many years of good service on your Windows-based computer system. And I mean it when I say so far, zero bugs, zero viruses, zero crashes for Windows 7. If you have any other tips, comments, drop me a line, let me know. But this is what I've been using. So the magic of keeping your computer infected free is prevention. Now, somewhere down the line, I'll do another topic on how to clean your computer once it has been infected. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for joining me on Total OS today. And as always, I will catch you sometime in the future.